اس وادی گل کا ہر غنچہ، اس وادی گل کا ہر غنچہ خورشید جہاں کہلایا ہے، جو رند یہاں سے اٹھا ہے وہ پیر مغاں کہلایا ہے۔ اس بزم جنوں کے دیوانے ہر راہ سے پہنچے یزداں تک، اس بزم جنوں کے دیوانے ہر راہ سے پہنچے یزداں تک، ہے عام ہمارے افسانے دیوار چمن سے زندہ تک۔ 100 بار سنوارا ہے ہم نے اس ملک کے گیس ہوئے برہم کو، 100 بار سنوارا ہے ہم نے اس ملک کے گیس ہوئے برہم کو، دل والے خود ہی لکھ لیں گے کیا دیا ہے ہم نے عالم کو۔ اب آپ کے سامنے امام قاسم نانوتوی رحمہ اللہ کی زندگی کے حوالے سے چند پہلوؤں کا احاطہ کرنے کے لیے تشریف لائیں گے ہمارے مہمان جو کراچی سے تشریف لائے ہیں، استاذ الحدیث جامعہ عمر کراچی، رابطہ علماء سندھ کے مرکزی مجلس عاملہ کے رکن حضرت مولانا حبیب الرحمن خیر آبادی صاحب، ان سے گزارش کروں گا کہ مائک پر تشریف لائیں۔
السلام علیکم ورحمۃ اللہ وبرکاتہ۔ الحمدللہ وحدہ والصلاة والسلام علی من لا نبی بعدہ وعلی آلہ وصحابہ ومن نہا نحوہ۔ My respected guest and president and dear audience, Assalamu alaikum. Today I would like to highlight only one aspect of life of Maulana Muhammad Qasim Nanotwi Rahmatullah alayh. When we talk about Maulana Muhammad Qasim Nanotwi Rahmatullah alayh, we are puzzled and we think about which aspect should we talk and which aspect should we speak, because he has many aspects of his life. But in this short my speech, I would like to highlight his aspect of education, whatever he did for education. So my brothers, pre-colonial, when the British rule was not in the India, so there was a good system of madaris. Madaris were funded by the government. Madaris were funded by the common wealthy Muslim people. But when the British governed India, they have occupied everything and they have destroyed the system of madaris. So Lord Macaulay, he came up with a new idea and he said that we want a class of people who are Indian in color and Indian in nation, but their mind, their intellect, their ideas should be English, and they should be English in their thoughts, their intellect, their opinion. But Maulana Qasim Nanotwi Rahmatullah alayh realized this and he thought about the future of Muslim children and future of Muslim generations, and he said that I will make a madrasa, I will create an institution which will support Muslims, which will make such a people who will be Indian in color, but their mind will be Madani and Makki. They will be Islamic, they will have Islamic thoughts, Islamic opinions, and they will have bright future. So Maulana Qasim Nanotwi Rahmatullah alayh, he founded the Darul Uloom Deoband with the consultation of scholars and other wealthy people. Then this madrasa began only with one student, one teacher, both of them called Mahmood. So when they began, no one knew that this madrasa will be a great madrasa and this will be called Ummul Madaris. So Maulana Qasim Nanotwi Rahmatullah alayh founded this madrasa, and this madrasa proved to be Ummul Madaris, mother of Madaris. Today we see all madaris are affiliated and related to this madrasa. So Maulana Qasim Nanotwi Rahmatullah alayh, when he thought of foundation of this madrasa, he did a great favor on Muslims. He gave them a big thought, and this harmed a lot. He began this madrasa in a very little village of Deoband, but with the help of Allah, this madrasa proved the center of knowledge, center of Islam, and center of everything which is related to Islam. So nowadays, whatever we see, it is a branch of Darul Uloom Deoband, whether it is Tabligh or whether it is politics or other Islamic services or writings and authoring the books. Everything is related to Darul Uloom Deoband. So finally, I would like to pray to Allah that He gives us power to follow the steps of scholars, and He gives us power to follow the way of these scholars so that we may succeed in this world and the hereafter. Assalamu alaikum.